Hi all, welcome back. In my previous video, when we ran our Cypress tests in AWS Fargate, we have seen some unknown characters were printed in our logs. Okay, so there is a solution for this to remove this unknown characters. So for that, we need to add some environment variables to our Docker container. Okay, so for that, let's navigate to task definition, and this is the Cypress YouTube Fargate task definition that we have created before, where I'm going to create a new version of this. So I'm going to keep everything same, and when we navigate down there, you can see the environment variables here. So add environment variables. So when you click on it, it will ask for key and value. Okay, so we need to add no underscore color is equal to the value should be 1. Okay, no underscore color is 1. So if you add this attribute, so those special characters will be removed. Okay, let's try how it will remove, whether it will work or not. So no underscore color is equal, no underscore color value is equal to 1, and the remaining value I'm keeping as it is, and I'm creating a task definition. So I have updated my task definition now. Now let's deploy and run another task. Okay, so here I'm choosing the cluster as Cypress YouTube, and after that this is the same. And if you see, by default we have run that task from directly task definition with the version 2. So now it is a version 2.1. So okay, so I'm giving task group name as Cypress YouTube. Okay, and then I'm creating a task. Okay, now the desired state is running and the revision is 2. It will run in some time. So if you see, the latest status is pending. Okay, once if you go there and if you see the logs, once it come to running state, then we will see the logs. Basically it's still in pending state. Let's navigate and see the logs. Still not appearing. Yeah, now it started. Okay, and if you see now, those special characters are gone, and we can see the actual content here. See, in the same table format we are getting when we run these tests in other CI, or even if you run in the local, you will see all the table format output, right? So in the same way we are getting now the output here also. Okay, in this way we can remove that unknown characters from this execution when we are running our Cypress tests in AWS Fargate. Okay, thank you.